Hello, my name is Malwande and welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you the basics, the 101 of how to do your own flat twist. This is a great technique if you do not know how to cornrow. If you feel like cornrowing takes too long, flat twisting is about to be your friend. The first step is to make sure that your hair is moisturized, detangled and hydrated. Having it detangled will make it easier for you to go ahead with the method. Step 2 is to part a line and clip out of the way the rest of the hair that you will not be handling. We're going to start off by breaking off a small section in the front, like so. Then you will divide this section into two. This technique mimics a twist, which uses two strands, except as we twist with the two strands, we will be grabbing more hair from the section here at the back. We're going to call the section A and section B. Section C. You're going to take A and twist it over B. Switch hands. Where A was, you now have B. Then you're going to take your thumb and your index and you're going to grab a piece of hair. Switch, grab a piece of hair. Switch, grab a piece of hair. And then to make it easier, you flatten it, pull to make sure that it is flat, but be gentle with your hair. Then you grab, twist, use your index to section like a comb, and you grab a piece of hair and you keep going like this up until you get to the bottom. I can tell the story of how I've overcome. Back were the days I didn't know. Once you reach the bottom, you will twist as normal. The sun, numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, called me home, and so his will be done. Shall we do that again? We have a new line. Here is the one that we just did. New line, sections are clipped out of the way. Break off a small section in the front like that. Divide it into two pieces. Twist, exchange hands. Pick up a piece. Twist, exchange hands. Pick up more hair. And keep on going just like that. If you find that you do this and you get to the end and your flat twist is loose, don't worry. Take it down and start all over again. The key point here is that you need to remember to push down the hair so that it lays flat. So you're gonna switch. As you're switching, do you see that? I've let it loose and I'm pulling, but gently. Twist, pull, up until you get to the end. There's hope for tomorrow with you. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing